What's up, family, friends, and dreamers? It's a day with Scott Jax. Let's go.
Did you wash your tongue? Good. Did you wash your back of it?
Yes.
Okay. Your breath still stinks.
He can't spell. That was kind of disrespectful, bro.
Scott Jax Entertainment.
This is a day with Scott Jax. Let's go. Let's go. As you can see, I'm overlooking the strip a little bit, watching the workers down there work on the new pool, doing what I do. But right now, I'm going to eat because I'm hungry. Somebody else is hungry too, but I'm hungry. Going to eat. Going to go hit downtown, the old Las Vegas. Take the Deuce, the old school bus, the Deuce. You know what I'm saying? The double decker. Take that. Hit the what's it called? The ice bar deal. Hit the ice bar. Got a helicopter ride scheduled for later on tonight. Ooh, that's gonna be fire. So you guys gonna get to see some real cool stuff. And I don't give up. But first, let's go eat. Hungry. My little stomach is growling. Out here, and out here enjoying a little bit of life. Just a little bit of life. Saying, I think this probably gonna be one of the coolest birthdays you ever had, actually. I'm just saying. Don't follow the crowd, we might die. Hey, let's do it. God, dang it got cold again.
You can walk.
So look, it's cool to have friends like me. You gotta have a friend like me that say, you know what, I'm gonna take you someplace you never been. Spending about 15 grand. I ain't spend that much.
Why are you flexing right now?
It wasn't that much. I spent a book of food stamps. This is a one book of food stamps. Gotta look out for people. But we did some stuff, We'd have been here, been to Colorado, been to Compton. No, we ain't been to Compton. San Diego. There's only 3 places? Well, 3 places. And you too can come join the fun on the Scott Jax Entertainment voyage.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
But it's one thing you gotta do. 2 things you gotta do. First, you can't get on my damn nerves. And the other one, you gotta be grown out here. And you can read between the lines what I mean about that.
Please don't look so startled.
Marathon OG.
When I tell you I'm full, probably gained like 30 pounds, probably a smooth 30. But we gonna be good though. About to go get these bus tickets for the Deuce, the double Deuce. Go head down to old school, old town, downtown Vegas. Just tour, you know what I'm saying? Do that kind of stuff, type shit. Just live life like how we do it. You know what I'm saying? This nigga just say y'all need to start doing cocaine? This nigga say you need to, that's crazy out here.
Vegas, baby.
Dude said y'all need to start doing cocaine. And nigga, what?
Yeah. You in a room $1.
Please board through front door.
You slide it. Okay. You go upstairs or you want to sit down here? You go upstairs? You go upstairs. This dude got the AC on this bitch. It's gotta be like 40 degrees in this motherfucker. 40. A cool 40. I feel like a hospital in this moment. God. Dang. We outside with it. Got the golden nugget with it. Big titty with it.
Really?
Okay. So I can get your video.
We just can't do it on the camera.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Spartans, prepare for glory!
We're walking 18 miles. Walked 18 miles. Tell you what the walk was for. Somehow, she got me to walk all the way to Starbucks. We're damn near the strip. So, oh yeah, we're gonna take a walk to the bus stop. We could have gotten the bus stop over there and just bust a U-turn.
I told you that. You were like, no, we need to catch one going this way.
Then,
okay, well then let's walk that way.
we walked this way, knowing Starbucks right here. Oh, I haven't had Starbucks in 14 days. Oh, look at that. Well, look at that. Look at Starbucks. Look at Starbucks. Ain't that about some stuff? Well, I guess we're going to stop at Starbucks now, I guess. Might as well, since we're over here. But
Do you recommend something for him? He like sweets.
You like sweets?
Yeah.
Are you looking for something hot or cold?
Let's go hot. It's a monumental moment. Got me a Starbucks, what is this called? A vanilla oak and choke?
White mocha.
Oh, white loca mocha. With the afro choker.
Be careful.
That shit taste like old school McDonald's caramel ice cream. That's what that day like. I'm not gonna fire. Go ahead, brother, you good? We all out here enjoying. We all out here enjoying. That tastes like the old McDonald's caramel ice cream right there with the vanilla.
It's got like some sprinkles of like, it looked like it's got sprinkles of peppermint on top, is it?
Well, that's cocaine. That's cocaine right there.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Mandalay Bay. Rest in peace to all the people who lost their lives at that time. That was a crazy night for them, I'm sure of it. But we walking down to the Hollywood sign.
Las Vegas sign.
Oh, why I say Hollywood? I always think of home. I don't know what the hell is wrong with me. What is wrong? I always think of LA, I swear.
Suck it too. Hollywood sign.
I don't know why I was thinking about the Hollywood sign. Oh well, look, I'm an LA dude so hard, so I did that. I think I did that in Colorado too. I said something about the Pacific Ocean. You know what? Don't mind me. I'm just outside with it. It's on YouTube.
Let's go!
What's y'all little group called again? What's y'all group called?
Oh, the birthday squad.
The birthday squad!
It's her birthday. She's 21. She just
Oh, happy
21.
birthday! Happy birthday!
Yeah.
We're famous
on YouTube.
You know what motherfucking name.
Just finished hitting a TikTok video. Let me tell you guys, the hardest thing about hitting a TikTok video in public is the sound. If you don't have a Bluetooth speaker or some earbuds to hear when the song starts, jeez. So I had to do it like 10 times. What's 10 times? About 10 times, right?
Like 20.
You would just start exaggerating on shit. That's about 10 times.
What happens when you don't give me a high five?
High five.
No.
Okay. But I got it done. I had a great support system. Some random people I didn't even know. But they was there to support me. You was there to support me. You was the videographer. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate your hard work.
Thank you.
Whew. But I hit them like in front of like 100 people too. I mean, I technically hit it on the first try, technically.
Are you nervous?
No, I wasn't nervous. I mean, I've done it before. I done hit TikTok videos in front of a lot of people. That's not a big deal. Because they there just to enjoy the entertainment. I'm there to put on a show. Now we about to go to the MGM, catch the bus back to the hotel, because the people from the helicopter tour come to pick us up. sent me a limo for a group of people.
Hi there.
How you doing?
Good, how are you? You got a buddy in the bus, so enjoy the buddy.
Who get married? Who get married? Oh, congratulations, congratulations. Yeah, so apparently she had to weigh you when you first get here with everything that you're gonna have, your wallet, your phone, the dentures, deodorant on, everything. They're gonna have to weigh you. And then they tell you to go sit down and they're gonna watch a safety video. I don't know why watching safety video, because if something happened up there, what the fuck we gonna do? We can't fly. Shit just going down at that point.
Come on around to the other side here. All right, just make a line here so everybody can see.
Scott Jax Entertainment.